Today, I'll show you how to set up Cloudflare DDoS protection by adjusting the security level and explain what each option actually does, so you know which one to choose for your site. First, let's get to the right place in your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're logged into your Cloudflare account and you've selected the website you want to protect, look at the main navigation menu near the top of the page, find the section labeled Security, and click on it. Inside the security area, you'll see several tabs or sections. Here, you want to go to Settings. This is where Cloudflare centralizes a lot of your general security controls, including DDoS-related behavior. On the security settings page, look for an option called Security Level. This setting directly affects how aggressively Cloudflare challenges visitors that appear suspicious. Think of it as a sensitivity dial. The higher the setting, the more often Cloudflare will step in and require visitors to prove they're legitimate before letting them reach your site. You'll see a few different options here, but the main ones to understand are medium, high, and I'm under attack. Medium is usually the default. This is a good everyday setting for most websites. With medium selected, Cloudflare will challenge visitors when their behavior or reputation looks questionable without being overly strict. For example, if a visitor's IP address has a bit of a bad history or they're making unusual requests, Cloudflare might show a challenge page like a captcha or an automated check before allowing them through. This strikes a balance between keeping out obvious bad actors and letting normal users in with minimal friction. If your site is running smoothly and you're not seeing unusual traffic spikes, medium is a solid choice. If you start noticing more spam, bots, or suspicious traffic patterns, you may want to increase the protection. That's where the high setting comes in. High means Cloudflare will be more proactive in challenging visitors it finds even slightly suspicious. This can help cut down on automated bots, comment spam, and low-level DDoS-style traffic that tries to overwhelm your site gradually. Because the filters are stricter, a few more legitimate users might see a challenge page, especially if they're on shared or less reputable networks, but it's often worth it when you're seeing an uptick in unwanted traffic. Finally, there's the I'm under attack mode. This is not an everyday setting. It's designed specifically for active ongoing attacks. When you enable I'm under attack, Cloudflare will require every visitor to pass through a 5-second browser verification page before your site loads. During those few seconds, Cloudflare analyzes the visitor's browser and connection to filter out hostile traffic. This can be extremely effective in keeping your site online during a serious DDoS incident, but it does add a short delay for everyone, including legitimate visitors. Because of that, you should only turn it on when you believe you are actually under attack and turn it off once traffic returns to normal. After you choose the security level that best matches your current situation, the setting will apply automatically to incoming traffic. You don't need to do anything else. Just keep an eye on your site's performance and user feedback and adjust between medium, high, and I'm under attack as your traffic patterns change.